Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, 8:20 a.m. Central Time, the first day of spring. You wouldn't know it in Chicago. We've got about 2 inches of snow on the ground. It'll all be gone this afternoon as we'll be in the mid-40s. But this is, again, that rough month of March, and it's always that way. Stock market down across the board. Metal markets giving up a little bit as well. The dollar on a tear to the upside as most currencies are getting hit today as they're digesting just what this all means. Remember, the Fed used a key word yesterday, transitory, for tariffs and inflation. Will they get it wrong again as they got it wrong when we were in the pandemic? I don't know. Nobody knows. But what we do know is that the tariff play starts on April 2nd. They get the numbers April 1st. And what is it going to do? Central bank after central bank are sitting back trying to figure this out. Today, the Swiss National Bank takes a new crown. They become the lowest of the major economies with the interest rate of 0.25%. They're actually lower now than Japan. The Bank of England today held their rate steady. You know, that we did. We know the Bank of Japan did. So it's an interesting time in the markets. When we take a look at the data today, the unemployment claims came in at 223. They're just sort of stuck right here. You went back up in the jobless, the continuing claims, not quite to the 1.9 level, but you've been back and forth in this area. The Philly Fed regional business activity went up more than thought. They were looking for a 10 number. They got 12.5. They also saw the prices paid. They're passing on inflation. Prior was 40.5, 48.3. The employment index shot up there to 19.7 from 5.3. But the new orders didn't go down, went down. So they're not getting them. And maybe that's because price is going up a little. We're going to get at 9 o'clock the National Association of Realtors coming out with their existing home sales, and you'll get the natural gas storage report at 9:30. Speaking of all that, when you look at the energies today, pretty flat here, and in the nat gas giving back yesterday's gains, down today about 11 points. Bonds and notes, you're now down under 4.2 in the 10-year notes into the 4.19 level and lower. The key is, will it crack through the 4%? That has been, remember, in the 10-year, what the Trump administration is gearing on, so we'll see what that all does. You're a little bit of everywhere in the grain market. Corn is up a little bit. The bean market is down 3 cents, and the wheat is down a little bit right here. So as I leave you, you can see that we're just sort of playing around here in the stock market. I think traders today, including me, are doing this, scratching their head. What does this all mean? I'll be with you at the end of the day, covering all the markets. You have a great trading day.